On today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Sony Playstation 5. This is a long-awaited product. It's pretty scarce in availability around the world at the moment, but I managed to get in one of the early rounds of pre-orders, and even though I didn't get it on launch day, I've managed to snag it now only a couple of weeks afterwards. So I got this from Hdmi Games here in Australia from the second wave of pre-orders. And I traded in my old PS4 and a couple of games for this, but yeah, so really keen to get this open and get it up and running. So let's get started on the unboxing. So as you can see, it's a pretty big box, only just fits in on my desk. So I'll open this, get everything out of the main box, and we'll get straight back. So if you take this tab off the top, then we're gonna unfold this. So I'll get rid of this main box and then we'll get back to the rest of the contents. So here's what comes on top of the PlayStation 5. Here's all the accessories. So as you can see, we have first off the owner's manual, quick start guide. We're not too worried about this, but it's good to have. Here we have safety guide, just more documentation. Here we have power cable, so this is going to be the same as your PS4 power cable. Yeah, just your standard figure 8 connector there. Here, this one's an interesting one. I'll set this aside, but I'll just show you real quick. This is the stand for the PlayStation 5, so we'll get back to that in a second. Yeah, so that's our stand that'll help us keep the PlayStation nice and flat. And here we have, in this compartment, we have our HDMI cable. So this should be the latest spec HDMI cable, and it will support 4K at 120 Hz if your TV supports that. And so that's all in this compartment. And then here we have the new controller. So this is the DualSense controller. So it's a bit of an upgrade from the PS4 controller. It was really nice in the hand so far. Buttons are nice. Yeah, so first impressions, really good. One thing I missed, here's just your USB-C charging cable for the controller. Now that we've got all that unboxed, let's get into the PlayStation itself. So once you get it out of the box, this is the packaging the PS5 comes in. So we're just gonna remove these support pieces and we will take it out of this wrapping. And I've got it upside down here. We will put it upright. So there we have it. There's the PlayStation 5 in all its glory. So on this side, we've got the PlayStation logo. As you can see on the front here, we have our disk drive, because this is the standard edition. Got a USB-A port, USB-C port, and our power and eject buttons. On this side, we have nothing. And then on the back here, we have the Kensington lock up the top here. Got two USB 3 Type A ports, our Ethernet jack, our HDMI port, and our power port. So there you go. So that's the PS5, long awaited for a lot of people. So I'm really keen to get this up and running, and might have some more content on it in the future. So stay tuned. All right, thanks guys. Bye.